Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora. If you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Sorry guys, my cat wants to feed. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this box. We have to unbox.
Unbox the box.
We have to unbox the box. Oh, so it's there. It says High Street TV in there.
TV?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's from a TV channel. So that means Amazon got it from there as well. That's where I saw it.
High Street TV.
When I was channel shopping.
Oh.
And I put it to Film 4 channel.
Yeah.
Channel number 14. It was about 10 to 11 in the morning. They don't start showing films till 11. Before that, they have shopping channel on there, and that was it. That's what I saw. £30. And then I looked on Amazon, and they had exactly the same thing for £3 less. So I got it from Amazon. And next day delivery, because we are Prime members.
Okay, so oh, it's yellow color.
Matches your t-shirt.
Yes. Look at this, guys.
Careful not to drop it.
Ta-da! Oops, there.
So daisy.
Oopsie daisy. Oh, look at that, guys. So it's
an omelette maker.
5-minute clever chef.
Yeah,
It's nice.
I hope so. This is the second omelette maker that we bought. The last one we bought was tiny. It's more like a toy. We wasted the money on that one. It had 2 compartments.
Too small. I hope this one is bigger.
And each compartment only took half of a small egg, which is absolutely ridiculous. It's a complete waste of money. So I'm hoping this will take at least 3 eggs. At least.
Okay, let's open.
Be careful not to scratch the inside.
There. It's open.
Open sesame.
See, look at this guy. There. Let's see. There. Oops. Oh, it's still a bit tiny.
Oh. Considering it cost nearly 3 times as much as the other one. It should be hopefully 3 times as big.
Oh, is it upside down?
Yeah.
There. Oopsie daisy. So that is the instructions. So it's just simple. Just straightforward how to do it. Okay. So, but it looks like thing as well. So I don't know which one is. It's right like that. So which one? Ah, okay. Because this is. Oh.
So they clip it on.
It cannot clip because there's a paper in. So, so it's nice.
We'll need to wipe it with damp cloth before we use it.
Yeah.
I want to use it today.
So,
Hey,
go.
Oh.
So it's long. So you can see, guys, like this, and look, it's oblong, oval.
Does it say how many eggs it takes? I don't think it does. I looked on the Amazon.
It doesn't clip. It doesn't click. Yeah. So that is the name here, Drew and Cole.
Brand name.
Yeah. So that's the brand name. So using how to use 7. So it's like how to use. I don't know how many eggs.
Probably doesn't say.
2 medium eggs.
Is that all? So it's quite
In a
small.
bowl with 2 medium eggs. Do not use larger eggs. So 2 medium. So that's how it.
So it's still not really that big.
Yeah. So if you want 6 eggs, then you have to use it 3 times.
That's a nuisance. Normally when you make an omelette, it's 3 eggs for 1 omelette.
Yeah, and it says do not flip.
Yeah,
It
because
go from top to bottom.
yeah, both sides has heating elements in it.
Yeah.
Top and the bottom. So you just pour in the thing after mixing it, then close it, and then wait for maybe 5 minutes, and that's it.
Yeah.
That's why it's called 5 minute.
Yeah. So maybe if you switch this on, then the light there. The green
Yeah, I
light.
don't think there is a switch on any of these. I think you just
No.
plug it in as soon as
Just
you
plug, and
it
then
in, it comes on.
It lights up.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's it. There's no other switch. So it just cook by itself. So, well, at least you can use 2. Whereas the other one, the first one that we bought is only 1, I think.
1 what?
1 egg.
Yeah, 1 egg split into the 2 compartments.
Yeah.
1 small egg as well.
Small. But this
So
one is
that
2
was-
medium. So it's a bit bigger.
Yeah, so it takes
So it's nice.
double the amount.
Hello, baby.
So that's it.
Yeah, okay guys, so that's it. So look at that. It's nice. It's cute. It's so cute.
For those
So
who are not very good at making omelettes like me. Every time I try to make an omelette, it turns into a scrambled egg.
yeah,
Which is
because
different.
you have to, because you're stirring it. If you don't stir, then it let it set, and then
Yeah, but it's either
omelette.
underdone or overdone. It's never perfect
Yeah.
when I do it. And it almost always turns into a scrambled egg. That's why I need these contraptions
Yeah.
to do the job for me.
All right. Now you got it. All right. Okay, guys, look at that. Is it cute? I like it because it's tiny and cute. Yeah. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Thank you. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.